I'm Toya Marie Taylor, and I just finished How to Manifest Abundance with Angel Marie. What a great class. I can't say more about it. I've always believed in manifestations and the power of words, and she brought a lot of understanding in the use of our thoughts, our energy. I would say my biggest takeaway is that the energy is energy. It's just energy. It's not positive, it's not negative. We are the positive, we are the negative. And everybody has energy. There's energy all around us. That's what's my absolute biggest takeaway today. And I actually look forward to taking more courses with Angel Marie and just seeing where we can take this. So I thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Melanie Compton, and I just came from a session with Angel Marie, and it's about manifestation, and I've just really enjoyed it. Anytime I get to chat with her or go to one of her classes or her online seminars, I always take away a sense of freedom and control and just an excitement to experience more and to implement the tools that she has given me. So she always makes me smile. That's a big takeaway, is I always smile when I leave one of her sessions.
Hi, my name is Erica Rosemary, and I attended the class on manifestation. I learned a little bit through the years, but I got more out of this class than I have ever gotten out of any seminar or class that I've attended. And what I have taken from it is the power of thought and words that we actually use, self-talk.